Musa, what's going on here?
Crank and a hole.
Crank and a hole?
Yeah.
Is that supposed to be there, Musa?
Holy moly!
You know what? It's a good inspection pro you got, John. You can see a crank.
Holy moly!
I don't know if that's the engine crying or jamming crying. It's jamming's tears.
Holy moly! Holy moly! Holy moly!
I'll be there at 11 or 12 o'clock, he said. Yeah. Yeah. How's he managed that? Jams, how you manage that, lad? Don't know, bro. I'll tell you how. You know, I've fuck knows, to be honest. I ain't gonna lie.
This is racing, my friend.
You know what? I'd rather take up cooking or something, bro. Jam, you wanna buy my stuff? You know what, have it. Swap you for a nice set of knives. I don't know if that's the engine crying or jamming crying. It's jamming's tears. Probably is jam. You know what? It's a good inspection pro you got, Jam.
Yes, sir.
You can see a crank. You don't have to take your sump off.
Yes, sir.
Brother. Musa, what's going on here?
Crank and a hole.
Crank and a hole.
Yeah.
Is that supposed to be there, Musa? Yo, what's going on over there, Musa? What's you're sorting your car out? What's wrong with it?
Like, I started.
I think there's more engine on the floor
Ooh.
than the actual engine itself. I don't know about you, but I don't think that's supposed to be like that.
Yeah.
What do you reckon, Musa? How can we fix it?
Put you engine.
They're okay.
Put new engine in
You're
there.
not touching, you know, the tip at the bottom.
Oh,
Yeah, I think you have
you got a new engine?
Yeah.
Where's your engine, Shai?
Yeah, it's got to be closed.
Holy
What you do, why don't you
smokes.
clean them?
Oh, no.
Holy moly! First I'm going to do a water and then I'm going to do a burnout.
I wonder where he's learned that from. Father and son having another race. Got my money on the son again. Actually, nah, Dad's got the quicker scooter. Yo, Musa's got the better burnout.
There's the staging, man. Mine's all-wheel drive.
Is it?
The stage here.
That's...
You ready? Ready. What's I got last?
Musa getting gaffed, man. Come on. Oh, he's got him.
Parachute.
Musa, you ready?
Yeah.
Miro, you ready? 3, 2, oh, he's gone. Oh, he's jumped the gun. Musa, you've been disqualified. Skidoo. So the next gearbox off and then on the stand.
Gearbox off, yeah, and then we're gonna put it on. I normally don't, but we can today.
Naughty crap, Jamsky. So he's gone along the block on one, now he's gone up top on the other.
He's got one hand.
Maniac. Yeah, let's move the gasket. Ooh.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. That looks beautiful fresh. Look, all the pistons are in the right side, the right way as well. Still, so that means no, these two are not. No, because this one's let go. Yeah. Yeah, but they're in the right place. It's cracked here. Yeah, this one. How are you gonna see if it's cracked in there?
Let's see his face.
Oh, look, see, he's cracked the sleeve. Cack. Can you see like a hairline crack on the sleeve there?
Oh yeah, there is. Yeah.
Look, and here as well. Where? Like a hairline crack all along here. Is there?
What are you looking
I don't think there is.
There isn't, man, because the crack's here.
Yeah, it's just on the block.
Big set.
Yes, Moose.
I'll show you my burnout.
Go on. Yeah.
Yours is not like mine.
Yeah, I got a screen on my one.
I'm going to screen on my one.
Oh, I don't want to take the engine out.
Yeah. Why? What's happened, Jam?
If I take the engine out, I can't take my flywheel off. The flywheel is connected to that.
Yeah.
If I take it off, then how am I going to take the flywheel off if the crank's just going to spin in my hands?
We should take this off first.
Yeah, but I don't have the socket here.
Halfords get them. They come off.
I don't have my hand ticket. Yeah.
Serious? Oh shit. Musa, you got any sockets in your pocket?
Yeah.
Let's get a 10 anyway. Let's have a look at the rods and stuff.
A one kaboom. One kaboom. I have Brutus. He has Bashir.
Oh no.
Look at that. It's a dog. It's a not.
He did a magic trick.
Definitely a new piston. I think you'd get away with that one, John. So, you know when you were saying about gas ported?
These are not.
These are not, okay.
No.
But the ones,
They come inside like a bit like this.
and they come out the side here, innit?
Yeah. They'll be behind this.
Okay, bang on. Because if there's ones that come on the top, don't me not want them ones.
Why? I prefer them ones, you know. I want them ones.
Supposedly, that when I went down my rabbit hole, they need a lot of rebuilding. Them pistons
Them ones are actually better.
Serious?
They're for nitro, bro.
Oh, nitro methane. Musa, that's the Silver Surfer's engine out. After it went kaboom at Greenlight Nationals 2 weekends ago, 1 weekend ago.
1 week.
1 weekend ago, Musa says. Out, it's gone. New one. When's the new one coming?
I don't know.
Soon.
I want to show you something.
Musa wants to show you something.
I'm going to do something special.
What's Musa gonna show us, hey? What's he guys been cooking up all day?
A burnout. I'm going to do a burnout on the dirt bike. Bye bye, see you later. Holy moly!